I'm Peđa Mitrović, Predrag Mitrović, President of Montenegro Employers Federation. From April 10th to April 13th, Montenegro Employers Federation with ILO technical support and in partnership with EBRD implemented a survey on the effects of COVID-19 crisis on Montenegrin companies' business operations. The data show that the majority of companies, 32%, enabled their workers to work from home. In 26% companies, employers worked shorter working hours, while 12% of companies were fully operational. Also, 90% of companies did not reduce the numbers of employees. While as much as 81% of companies said they did not plan to dismiss workers, which is encouraging and tells a lot about the high level of corporate social responsibility in Montenegro. In order to ease doing business of our member companies, MEF created a document named Labor Relations in Times of COVID-19. It provides clarifications and answers by MEF on the most frequent questions related to labor relations. Our goal was to help employers to, without legal consequences, apply measures imposed by the government and use the possibilities existing in Montenegrin legislation when to comes to labor relations. Although the protection of public health is a priority, COVID-19 pandemic has showed that the support to sustainability of companies and jobs has no alternative. It is why the problem of preserving citizens' health must be seen and solved in parallel to sustaining economy. In order to be able to protect health and lives, we must save the economy. The state's support to companies must be urgent with concrete and adequate measures and without complicated administration procedures. Extraordinary situation call for extraordinary measures which are adopted through social dialogue, cooperation and agreement between key partners, the government, trade unions and employers' organization. Then the measures will be the most efficient. Only those countries which carry the burden of the crisis by joining forces will come out of it as winners.